Next up, another joint task between Turncoat, A Small Favour, in which we need to locate a folder in the archive and retrieve it from Fort Narith, then report back to Turncoat and No Escape for Banshee, in which we need to, once again, get the folder and return it to Banshee instead of Turncoat. Now you'll be picking one or the other, whichever one you want to level up further, but essentially you'll be getting the same folder from the same place. What we need to do is head all the way across to Fort Narith and into the headquarters building all the way right over here. So Fort Narith is in the extreme bottom left, over here, right in the center of this building. There are tons and tons of AI in the area, but it shouldn't be that difficult to clear it out and get your way in here as long as you're slow and methodical. Now, inside of this building, you'll be heading into the main entrance on the northeast side, and you'll be heading left over here into these two doors, where you'll find office, then a blank room. Next one over here should be archive right by the window that looks over the main entrance here. And of course, there could be AI just a bit further on. Quickly clear that one out, and we should be able to find our way into the archive room here. So we'll open up the door, and just inside of here, you should find that all the way at the back, right over here, on top of this box here, you'll find the report that you need to pick up and take back to base, then hand into either Banshee or Turncoat, depending on whichever one you'd want to level up. But anyways, that's really it for A Small Favour and No Escape. So thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.